Watch out. Oh, okay.
It's clear. All right, guys. Do you see where you're at? They're right there.
I see.
See the red ref?
Yep.
That's the building we got to kill. All right. So we're definitely within range right now. We're all just gonna walk down on them, shoot, maneuver, kill them, communicate. Yeah, that's it. Surrender. All right, sorry.
Everyone's dead. Everyone's dead. Go respawn.
Hey, who's got the bomb? Bring the bomb!
I got it.
All right. It's clear.
Matt, good throw.
Bring it in.
Oh, that fucking went all in the mud.
Bomb.
Game over!
Got him.
Nice. Keep it going.
Ah! Oh, shit!
Behind him.
You got him? You want me to drag him?
Somebody cover him. Somebody attack the speed deal him.
Somebody shoot the bad guy.
Get around a couple feet.
Oh! Ah!
Stop doing that, man.
I got shot from that side.
You gotta stop doing that. Don't talk. Come on. You get another heal and then you go respawn.
I think I gotta go after this.
Respawn now.
Now? Okay.
Second kill to respawn.
Ah, I'm so fucking dead.
Hey, your bomb bitch is down.
You're dead. You can't talk.
I'm not talking and I'm not doing anything. Because I realized that
You guys
problem.
are supposed to be within like 30 feet of that bridge.
We died and then we got the. We can go anywhere.
On the other side after the respawn.
Yeah, I
Oh,
remember.
really?
Yeah.
That's fucking news to me.
You just don't listen.
You can go anywhere.
True.
Oh, are you out?
3, 2, 1. Game on, game on, game on.
Hit.
Just doing the other side.
Clear. You good? Oh, I'm gonna put you on my team. All right, you're on my team.